Welcome. In this video, we're going to dive into one of the most useful commands in Git Diff. We'll learn how it helps you track changes to your code with precision. So, what exactly is Git Diff? It's a command that shows you the differences between different states of your project. You can use it to compare the code in your working directory, what you've staged, and what you've already committed. This makes it an essential tool for seeing exactly what has changed. To see the changes you've made since your last commit, you just run git diff. This compares the files in your working directory to the most recent version in your commit history. In the output, lines that start with a minus have been removed, and lines that start with a plus have been added. Now, if you want to see what you've staged for your next commit, you use git diff staged. This shows you the changes that are ready to be committed. It's a great way to review your work and make sure you're creating a clean, focused commit. You can also compare any two commits directly. Just use git diff, followed by the hashes of the two commits you want to compare. You can also use branch names or even head to refer to commits, like git diff head ~1 head, to see the changes from the last two commits. A very common use for git diff is to compare branches. By running git diff main ..feature branch, you can see all the work done on your feature branch before you merge it. If you're on the feature branch, you can just type git diff main to see the same comparison. If you just want a high-level overview of what's changed, use the stat flag. This will give you a summary of which files have been modified, along with how many lines were added or removed in each. It's a quick way to see the scope of your changes. Sometimes you'll have changes that are just differences in whitespace, like extra spaces or new lines. To focus only on the substantial code changes, you can use the -w flag to tell Git Diff to ignore whitespace. To wrap up, remember these key uses of Git Diff. Git Diff for unstaged changes, Git Diff staged for the staging area, Git Diff with commit hashes or branch names for comparisons, stat for a summary, and the -w flag to ignore whitespace. Mastering this command will greatly improve your workflow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.